Let's see. Well, I think it's great to go through the process together so you can, it can look pretty intimidating. When you see the finished product, it's nice to take you through the process and see that it really is something you can break down step by step. And so if you just follow along with me, the things that take more skill and practice are things like doing a good face. And so that will really depend how artistic you are in the first place. But a lot of it is just real simple drawing, and I can just show you ways that if you just take it a little bit at a time, just one little stroke of your tool at a time, it really can be simplified and taught pretty well. And I have thousands of students that send me their pictures, and it's working. So.
Hey Curious Mondo fans, thank you for checking out our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, check out the other videos in the channel for some fabulous tips, techniques, and interviews with artists.